Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and a couple of you have asked me to talk about what was in the update for Apple devices, your iPhones, iPads, and Mac computers. So yes, there was a release of updates for Apple devices, and it contains mostly bug fixes, but there is one security fix in it that could be applied. So that's really mostly bug fixes in general. There's a lot of little things that people are complaining on the updates and the operating systems, and it's really a big list of fixes, much more than anything else. There is a security fix. The security fix is of high severity, but it does require, I believe, access to the device for it to be exploited, which mitigates the importance of it, but it's still important to update for security anyways. So check it out. Your Apple Mac computer will have its updates. iPads and iPhones will have their updates, and this will actually mostly have, if you had some problems, for example, in maybe your Mac, or maybe a little bug popped up in your iPhone or iPad that you warned the ring about, this could actually fix the problem. I believe one of also the problems that I've seen is, especially on iPads and iPhones, a little bit of connectivity issues with Wi-Fi that seem to be fixed in this big list of fixes. So mostly bug fixes, but one security update in there also at the same time for your Apple devices. Check it out. Go and check your updates. Make sure that you're at the latest version for everything to work fine. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.